So guys, what's up? I'm using open code here. So you can see I've given some instructions to open code. That is, to start my minikube cluster with certain parameters, that is 16 GB RAM and 4 CPU. So I'll scroll up a bit so you'll get an understanding. So open code is a command. It will open this chat window, and there is a model called Big Pickle, and it's free. So it starts by default. So if you see, when I started, I just gave a prompt, start my mini cube cluster, and it ran this command. So basically, it runs all the commands on behalf of you as per the inputs or the prompts you've given. So after that, I gave it a prompt to install OpenShift Lifecycle Manager because so this is a mini cube cluster. This is Kubernetes. I wanted to install OpenShift operators. So to do that, you have to install OLM. So you can see it, it does a check and it gives you options. And then it takes your permission and, like installs whatever is available as per your prompt. So you can see it has installed OLM. Then after that, so you can see it has given the status of the cluster and everything. So kubectl get pods and everything. Okay, in OLM. So after that, yeah, so it's given this message cluster is ready. So then I gave a prompt, can you install OpenShift logging operator? So I'm doing a POC on OpenShift logging operator. So it actually does. So it fired this command get package manifests and logging, and it is capable of finding what you're looking for, and then it will ask you. So here it's saying that's the Banzai Cloud logging operator, not it's not OpenShift. So OpenShift operator is cluster logging. So this is Red Hat. So so it asked yeah, me for my permission. Then I gave in the input as yes, sure, and it has proceeded. So it has installed the cluster logging operator. Now, so you can see it automatically runs all the commands and gives you the out subscription and all that. So yeah, so you can see this is the latest output. So logging solution is running operators namespace. It provides the CRD Elasticsearch, deploy clusters, Fluentd, Kibana. Want me to deploy Elasticsearch and okay, so I can just go ahead and do yes. So in that particular namespace, it is going to deploy a elk stack for me. So while the chat is going on, uh, you know, so you can see it automatically generates the YAMLs and also applies them, which is magical, like you don't have to do anything. Uh, so otherwise you'll have to fetch all these YAMLs on the internet and, you know, uh, deploy it by yourself. You have to so even Gemini, you have to, copy the YAMLs and, apply them. Here it is just fetching all the information for you from the internet and generating it and as well as applying it. So it is a full control given to the chat, which is, like you just can deploy anything, you can do anything you want. You can so I'm doing operations on the Kubernetes cluster. I can just do any operations on the OS, like uh, like I can ask it to build a game, I can ask it to build a program, I can ask it to do anything, install a package, remove a package. I can also give it commands to open browser, close browser, things like that. So parallelly, while this is running, we can, uh, yeah. So kubectl get pods. Yeah, you see. So kube. So we'll follow the chat. Okay, so we'll know what is happening, and then once the chat output is complete, we can go to the command line and uh, figure out like what it has done. So all this stuff, right from starting the cluster to deploying OLM to installing Elk, it has all done by itself. I've not done anything just apart from just chatting, and this is open code. So it's just a binary. Uh, Once you install it, you just hit the command open code, and this window will open in the command line. And you just need to provide it permission like once or always. And then once it has permissions to access your computer, access your Linux box, it is capable of doing anything and everything. So which is really, really, really. So uh, so while this is running, so it's saying check elk pods status. Serial. Okay, so okay, I can parallelly go and yeah. So it is terminating. So I mean, this is like dream come true. Say, see, it is rolling. Check the pods. So it has given this because it is running all the commands by itself. Events, get easy. So if you try this command, you will get the same output. So we'll just copy this command. So yeah, you can see operator. So this is like amazing, it's like, and this is free. All you have to do is just go to OpenCode website. You just run one curl command. It'll install the binary and just run the binary, and that's it. So here you can see OpenCode. OpenCode includes free model. So if you've purchased any model, or if you have any OpenAI subscription or ChatGPT subscription, you can connect this interface to that model. So otherwise, the default one is Big Pickle, which is for free. So you can see it is still running kubectl get parts, its secrets. Okay, cool. So that's it for this video. I'll come up with more videos.